rainy day. I keep my foot tapping on the floor like a long lost friend rapping on my door. Lordy Holly, hear him raving on while I went to try them Texas skies. Up by Oklahoma, a twister took me by the hand and lifted me a mile high.
Lord, I try my hand, I can find all the moon and stars and gravity understand. So I'll take my solace in memories of the past and the sun on the horizon at the end of.
I don't wanna think about the day that you slipped away, and it's still hard to hear your voice in the songs that we used to sing. Well, I miss you and I love you, and some things won't ever change. Although you're gone, the world moves along. There's a part of you that will remain. Wife is pretty, even though I think she's silly, 'cause she moved cities for a guy that looks like Gibby from iCarly. I wish that I was funny like Farley. Rest in peace, Chris Farley. Ain't that a pretty bird? Oh no, it sure ain't no friendly bird. I didn't mean to put you in some slot. I don't know if I'm sign. No new good to croon a song to a patient throng of folks that you might know. I sang the songs of hard times, hard feelings and hardened heart, but nothing seemed to grab them until a patron he remarked, won't you play it in G for Jesus and let your Holy Spirit show. Keep your pain in your midnight trains, and on the higher ground you go. Don't sing the songs about whiskey and I'm so lonesome that Mama tried. Reckon that we'll keep trying if rock bottom it never showed. You know, if there's a storm weather